Happy Hump Day, fifth graders. It is Wednesday, May 20th, and very short message today, not much to discuss. Thank you to those individuals. We did have one of our better Zoom attendances yesterday. I think we got up to about 29 or 30 students, so that's awesome. Thank you very much for those individuals who showed up. Still looking for some participation and some communication from still about 15 or 20 people though who I haven't seen for quite a while, and I really miss you guys. Really want to see what's going on and have some conversations. This Wednesday is the reason it's going to be such a short meeting, very short, straightforward day. Nothing special, nothing out of the ordinary. We have a short video in science with an exit ticket. We have the typical situation in math where we've got a video and an exit ticket for both classes. Obviously, the same Think Central and Prodigy things, which at least almost half of the class in both situations have completed their Think Central stuff, and only about 7 or 8 people. So this would be a great day to get a little bit of Prodigy done and continue to work with that. One big thing that I would really like to see happen today, though, guys, make sure you're getting in and checking your campus portal, checking your Infinite Campus, and see if you are missing anything or if there are any notes listed behind any of the assignments. For example, I'm still missing, I want to say 6 or 7 elements projects, and I've contacted a few individuals and I've gotten some of those things turned in. But I'm missing a couple for one class and about 5 for the other. And guys, that's 20 points. It's even if you turned it in and it's half done, or you gave me the link and told me to hold off for another couple of days before grading it, that's fine. But it's not a real difficult assignment. You're simply taking data from a website and transferring it over to Google Slides. And I would really appreciate getting some scores for you on that stuff, guys. So if you are not confident in how to do that, set up a Zoom with me today. If you are not comfortable with what we're doing with that, it's supposed to be kind of an easy in all honesty, easy 18 to 20 points, assuming you followed a couple of very basic guidelines. So please get that done. I also still have some people who haven't either taken their quick quiz from last week or fixed their quick quiz from last week, and they have scores that are not very good, and that's both classes. Different days. So I want to say that the quick quiz for my accelerated group was on like Tuesday of last week, and my on-level group, I want to say it was later in the week, like Friday. Again, guys, so many things bouncing back and forth, but you'll be able to see what it is in Infinite Campus, what folder you find it in. Please get those taken care of, guys. Those are, again, opportunities of 4 or 5 times to retake that quick quiz and give yourself a great score on them. So please ask questions if you don't. If you're struggling with it and you are not sure, I've got a few people who are definitely not taking a lot of pride in their work right now, and they're rushing through things and taking less than 30 seconds to complete assignments and getting very bad scores on their stuff, and they're not choosing to redo it, and they're not choosing to ask questions. And really, in that sequence, in that situation, guys, the only person you're hurting is yourself. I can't say that any clearer. For me, I'm going to be teaching another group of 5th graders next year, and obviously the impact of this distance learning will be with them as well. But for you guys moving on, those 6th grade teachers are going to assume that the things that we put in front of you, you will have known and you'll learn. And if you're not taking these last 2 months, or for sure these last couple of weeks, very seriously, a lot of these skills are going to be things that get brought back up again in 6th grade, and you're going to be kind of working at a deficit and coming out of a hole. So please make sure you're getting in there. Please make sure you're asking questions. Again, guys, I'm here for, well, it's 7:15 right now, okay, and I'll be here till probably 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So do the math. That's about a little over 8 hours, or right around 8 hours of time that I'll be in this classroom waiting for questions. So please take advantage of that. All right. Have a great day. Again, sun's supposed to be shining. Going to be close to 80 degrees today, so that's awesome. Get outside and enjoy it. But let's wrap up our stuff here early this morning and get done with what we need to get done, and take a weight load off, take a weight off your mind, and get that stuff done, and just be done with it, because it shouldn't take you that long if you're working. All right. Have a great day. I look forward to hearing some questions from you guys, and looking probably for the next Zoom to take place on Friday this week. All right. Have a great Wednesday.